In this video, we're going to be replacing the wheel center cap on this 2007 Mazda CX-9. This also is going to apply to the first gen from 2007 to 2015. So we're going to start by removing our center cap here. We're going to use a small pocket screwdriver and we're going to get in behind one of the edges that will allow us to, if you'll notice, it'll rock back and forth a little bit. So we're going to pick our best entrance, which seems to be this side, and just pry it outwards. Now if you're missing a center cap, it's even easier. Now, right here, there's an opening. Right here is where we went in. And all you do is just pry it out and pop it out. You have a couple of clips all the way around, holding it in place. So when we go to put our new one in, we're going to clean this area out just a little bit. Make sure there's no debris in there or loose paint. We're going to take our new center cap, center it up, give it a nice little tap into place. And that's it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.